this lecture, we're going to set up the ability for the user to log out after they've logged in. Unlike creating an account, logging out doesn't need a page of its own, but we do need to create a page to send users to after they've successfully logged out. And so rather than being a logout page, it's going to be a you have been logged out page. That is going to be called session deleted. As you can see in our server router, session/deleted is handlers.session_deleted. So we can go to our handlers and create that new one using the last one as a base. So we're going to say that session has been deleted. That's going to be handlers session deleted. Still only going to accept a get. The title is going to be logged out. The description is going to be you have been logged out of your account. And the body class session deleted. The template we want to get is session deleted, and everything else can be the same. Now we can create that template, templates/session deleted.html. And like the others, I'll just walk you through what we've written here. Title is logged out. We tell them you've been logged out of your account, and there's just a call to action button saying log in again. Now we have to make some modifications to app.js to bind any logout button so that it can trigger an actual logout. And by logout, we need to send a request with the HTTP method delete to API/tokens to actually get rid of that token, and then we want to delete it from our local storage and front-end library. But first, we need to update our header so that the logout button has a specific ID that we can bind to. Now that that's set up, we can update this file. And I'll just walk you through what's happening here. A session deletion form handler has been created. A log user out function has been created, app.logUserOut, which actually sends the delete that I mentioned a moment ago, and then redirects users to the session/deleted page that we just created. We also have added a app.bindLogout button function, which is going to automatically bind the logout button in the menu so that anytime it's clicked, the app.logUserOut function gets called. Now that logging in and logging out should be working, we can also demo the fact that the menu should be expanding and contracting based on the state of the user. So let's go ahead and start the app up and try this all out. Going to refresh the login page, get rid of this console, and then log in like I did a moment ago. As you can see now, I am logged out, and the only things that I can see on the menu are home, sign up, and log in. That's what we want. I'm logging in with 41512345669, and this is a password. Now I'm logged in and I'm taken to the checks all page, but if I return to the home page, I'm still logged in. The checks all page doesn't exist, and so we can't see much there, but the home page exists, and we can see that my links up here have changed. I now have home, dashboard, account settings, and logout. The logout button is something I can click, so I click it, and I'm sent to the you have been logged out page, which means that I click the logout button, a post was made to delete my token, and my token was actually deleted from the server, and then I got rid of it client side as well. If we try to log out the active token, you can see that it doesn't exist. So logging out and logging in, as well as the disappearing and reappearing menu items, all seem to be working fine. So we can move on to the next lecture.